What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, right here on Sugarfingers. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with your girl today. Yes, y'all, it's time to put on a new set of nails. And honey, it's been a minute. These are Polygel, and I've been asked before, how do I remove my Polygel nails? Well, today I'm going to show you. As you can see, I brought you in closer so you can see these are about to come off anyway. Well, actually, they're probably still not going to come off because they're on there pretty good, but they have lifted on the cuticle area, and I am ready to get rid of them anyway. You know, it's time for a new set. I did these about, I don't know, it's probably around the 4th or 5th of June, and honey, I'm over it. It may have been even the 1st of June because I can't even recall, but I know I posted the video. Around the 5th of June. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'll focus this camera here. You know, I'm working with my new camera. Still got some tweaking to do, but you know, it's doing good. But I'm going to snip these off, and all of the products that I'll be using today will be listed in the description box under this video. So I'm just snipping them down, and y'all know I'm not a professional nail tech, so girl, look at this one. This is super thick. It is super thick. I couldn't even go all the way down on it because it was just too thick. I had to wiggle my way in with these nippers here, but it didn't work. But anyway, I first of all clipped them down so that, you know, I only have to deal with just the part that's on my natural nail mainly. So excuse me for getting out of frame. Let me fix this right now and get back in here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Again, I'm not a professional camera person. I'm not a professional nail tech. I'm none of that. So girl, I'm just doing what I do. And I'm glad you take time out to hang out with me. That's so sweet. Yes, it is. So let me get my little nippers here and take off this treble clef sign. This is a little emblem on my nail. Very easy to take off there. But overall, the main way that I remove my Polygel is I use an e-file. You know, there's just no easier way for me. You know, there's no easier way. So when I do my removal, I'm not soaking or anything like that, except for when I get to the very minimal of Polygel that's left on my nail. This e-file is Melody Susie's, and I will link it down below. I purchased, this is probably the second one, yes, of Melody Susie that I've had, and honey, I love it so much. It's lightweight, it's convenient, it's easy. I'm going to go ahead and take a paper towel, and I always wet my paper towel so that I can, you know, some of the fly away of all of the residue of the shavings of filing the Polygel off can just drop onto there, because right now I do not have an actual like, what do you call it, nail fan dust collector. That's what you call it. I don't have one yet. I've been checking out a few of them, and I think I'm going to go with the one from Melody Susie. So when I get that, life will be a whole lot easier as far as getting rid of these shavings from blowing everywhere. So now that I have the paper towel laid out, I'm just going to put this on a, you know, kind of a high speed, because right now I'm just working on the Polygel. When I get closer to my actual natural nail, I will go ahead and reduce the speed. So I got it on full out right now, and I'm getting ready to shave off all of this Polygel off of the nail. So let's get that done. So the polygel is off. Now I'm just taking this little Madam Glam tool to help clean around the cuticles, get all of that dead skin off. And now I'm taking just a little cotton round here, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and start soaking off whatever residue of the polygel is left, along with any base coat that may be on there. This will take care of it. All I have to do is just take 100% pure acetone and soak off. Now I'm going to soak this cotton round with it, but I'm going to put on my little nail clips that will help to hold this in place. I was looking for my other ones, but I couldn't find them anywhere. I have got to reorganize and get everything all in one spot, so I don't know what happened to those, but I'm putting that on right now, out of frame of course, and there it is right there. So now I'm just going to take off the rest of them and with the file and with the e-file, and go ahead and do the same process throughout all of my nails right about now. So I got a couple of them done off camera, moving right along. The process doesn't take long, but you know, you just have to be patient with it. And this is really by far the best way to remove polygel to me, okay, because it is not going to just soak off easily. You have to go ahead and file the majority of it off. So right now I'm just working with the thumbnail, trying to get all of it off of there by just scraping it off, and if there's anything left I will go ahead and buff it down, which will probably only be just a thin layer. Beautiful babes, that's it. I'm done. Just that simple. Nails are intact and ready for a new install of something, whatever I want to do. Love it so much. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, beautiful babes. I appreciate each and every one of you all right here on Sugar Fingers. Take care of yourself, subscribe, hit the bell, and please keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Always. Toodles.